So we'll start this time by the river. We'll head over to the new pedestrian bridge, which was just opened in April. One thing which is brilliant about this pedestrian bridge is that on the other side it's quite wild. It's overgrown, so unlike most cities, this has a wild side. About 7 or 8 years ago, mixed-use schemes. Old buildings started to be renovated, so it was like the more mature phase of the real estate market came along. And Warsaw now boasts 6 or 7 of these wonderful schemes, and we'll see 2 or 3 of them on our trip, starting with Elektrownia.
It's a really lifestyle project. An important part of this project is the F&B function. We have 41 food and beverage concepts here in Elektrownia. So as you see, we open up those floors to expose this very interesting structure. This is actually original city structure from the beginning of when the power plant was functioning. In this building we created the retail space. It's around 60 shops. From time to time you see like a historical artifacts. Right there on the right hand side there's a switch called Pałac, because there was a separate circuit to turn on and off electricity in Palace of Culture, and it was discovered by accident.
Welcome in Warsaw CBD. It's 6.5 hectare site, but almost 2 hectares is dedicated to the parks. This guy here is our new baby. It's an office building that will hold 31,000 square meters. 10 floors, services in the ground that will, boost the social interactions.
You can see here one of 2 buildings from studio complex. This is the taller one, the tower, Studio A. Please follow us to the Studio B building.
Business Link is a company which belongs to SKANSKA Group in 100%. What we notice today, employees are only coming to the offices which are giving better than home experience. And here in Business Link we have many features which are bringing employees back. We have the places where they can really enjoy, spend time together, but also rest a bit. We have the place for meditation, special equipment, neuroactivity pod, which is the only this kind of machine here in Poland.
The new building is Archicom Collection Gallery. That will be also our sales office for new apartment building M7. M7 is the first residential building from Towarowa 22. It's also under Archicom Collection, the new brand from our group. Archicom Collection will be responsible only for luxury and premium premises in our portfolio, so we will start with this M7.
I would like to welcome you here in Zlota 83, one of the first PRS projects of AFI Europe in Warsaw. We delivered the building just recently last year. The building now is almost fully occupied. I would like to invite you for a short tour. You will see what kind of work we had to execute in this building. We brought the original painting back based on the study how it looked before. It was agreed with the conservatory that we have to prepare a couple apartments which will look exactly like they looked before the World War. We embedded the current appliances, furniture into the structure which was actually designed back in 1902.
Poland has 12 metropolitan areas, which is significant for an investor who wants to grow and expand and have options.
This is the most digitally developed banking sector in the world. Geographical location, this is the very first point which actually defines our position as the 10th country worldwide which attracted greenfield projects.
I chose Poland precisely because there was a huge potential to get yourself developed, to develop a new skill set.
I love Poland. I chose to come here, and to the extent that each of you have chosen to come here as well, and I think this is probably the best place that can possibly be around investment.
Today is time of celebrating because what a time, what a year. 25 years ago, Poland joined the NATO. 20 years ago, Poland joined the European Union. Now look at that.
everybody who seen Warsaw this 20 or 10 years ago can really now compare what was there. For sure, this building was not there.
We gathered here on the top floor of this tallest building in the European Union to think how to create the future.